birthday. You have everything, so ang wish ko lang, take care of those things, what you have, with what you have. Kung ano meron ka ngayon.
Saan Tagalog? Di ako marunong.
English. Alagaan mo kung ano meron ka. You've been blessed with so many things. Yeah, happy birthday.
Wala ka alis dyan. Wala ka lang, Mark.
Okay, first of all, Happy New Year. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dito. Birthday ni Nick. Happy birthday. Wish, good health and for boys.
Oh! Ito si Junior.
Happy New Year sa inyo lahat. Happy birthday, Nick. Sana laging birthday ni Nika para marami regalo sa akin at masarap na pagkain. Sabi na.
Si Alvin!
Bin!
Okay. Alvin!
Abigail muna, Abigail.